Good day, greetings. Namaste. Om Namah Shivaya. Glorious. Good day. I hope you all are doing well. I give thanks for today and all that it is to bring. And I wanted to share that with you all in hopes that you pick up some of that energy and you also have a good day. It is Monday, November 7th, and the energy is high today. It's an overcast day, as you can see, but still a glorious day. And I didn't really have anything specific that I wanted to talk about. It's just been a great day so far, and I feel like my energy is so high that I needed to share it. If you're into reciting affirmations, today is a great day to make sure that you're repeating them all throughout the day. If someone triggers you or pushes your buttons, just keep in mind that everything is going to work out and everything is okay. Also, keep in mind that there are hurting people, and hurting people hurt people. So don't take things personal. When someone says or does something to you, don't take it personal. They're hurting. So have empathy for them. Have compassion for them. If somebody's being resistant, just be patient with them. Give them time. Lead by example. Sometimes you have to show people the right way. Show them how to do things without telling them what to do or even giving them advice. Sometimes you have to share a story from a third-party perspective, even though it may have been you who actually went through the situation. And you can say, oh, well, I know someone who went through that and this is what they did. So there are different ways to achieve the same results, but at the same time not being manipulative, right? Although some people say a little bit of manipulation is good, I don't really agree with that. But sometimes we do have to find alternative ways to get our messages across, especially if we see people going in the wrong direction. But sometimes they have to go in the wrong direction in order for them to learn what they need to learn, because that is the universe's way of teaching them that lesson. And so we can't stand in the way of that sometimes. So just sometimes we have to allow and let it be. And the first word in the Bible, if you follow the Bible, is let. Let there be. Right? So sometimes you have to let there be. Again, I didn't really have anything specific that I wanted to talk about, but I felt like I just wanted to share my energy today. And I hope that was helpful to you all. It was 333 when I said I feel like I need to share my energy today. So you might want to look those numbers up, 333 angel numbers, and see how that resonates for you on today, Monday, November 7th, 2022. But of course, anytime a spiritual person delivers a message, they are timeless, because there really is no such thing as time. So it may resonate with you today. It may resonate with you a month from now. It may resonate with you a year from now. But whenever you see this message, 9 times out of 10, this message is for you. Sometimes we have to realize that what we're going through is not happening to us, but it is happening for us. Because we are here to heal ourselves and then to help others do the same. So as always, I love y'all and I wish you all the best. And I hope that on today you are well and continue to elevate, continue to deepen your walk with the Most High, the Creator, the universe, with your God, whatever you say, whatever words you use to describe the source energy. I hope that you continue to deepen that relationship so that you can be a more healed person and help others to do the same. And again, as always, I love y'all. If you need me, you can always reach out. And be well. Love y'all. Mwah.